Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change Shopify store name. Why would you want to know how to change Shopify store name? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to change Shopify store name. So today I'm going to show you how to change Shopify store name. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing Shopify store name is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on settings in bottom left corner. Now at the top, in store detail, you are seeing profile and store name. Click on edit. Now you can change your store name and then press save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change Shopify store name, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.